Supreme Court affirmed legitimacy of pro-Wike lawmakers. This is the bitter truth. Honorable Emmanuel, you share your bitter truth. Honorable Ibini Odafe Emmanuel, a peace activist and mutual friend of Governor Siminalayi Fubara and former Governor Nyesom Wike, has shared his thoughts on the withdrawal of Governor Fubara's appeal at the Supreme Court in an interview with Daily Independent. Honorable Ibini said he was not surprised that legal experts had different interpretations of the decision. He explained that legal issues often become more complicated when lawyers get involved. According to him, the Supreme Court's ruling was clear and straightforward, but some lawyers' involvement had made the situation more complex. He stated that by withdrawing the appeal, Governor Fubara and his legal team did not challenge the Court of Appeal's decision. This, he said, meant that the ruling of the lower court was final and binding on others involved. He stated that under Nigerian law, any claim not disputed in court is considered admitted. The key issue in the ruling, according to Honorable Ibini, was the legitimacy of Honorable Martin Amewole and 25 other lawmakers as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. He said the Supreme Court decision confirmed Amewole as Speaker. How? Honorable Ibini wrote that any actions taken by Governor Fubara that required approval from the House but were not presented to Speaker Amewole were unconstitutional. You dey joke, Mr. Ogini, wetin dey talk? He insisted that such actions were null and void unless Fubara resubmitted them for approval. They play. He dismissed claims that the 2024 budget could not be revisited, stating that the Rivers State House of Assembly had the constitutional power to investigate how funds were spent. He added that officials who had been appointed without the Assembly's proper approval should go through a process of revalidation. This person, you already said, you are a weak case person now, so I'm not surprised. The major and critical issue in the judgment of the Court of Appeal now upheld by the Supreme Court is affirmation of the legitimacy of Honorable Martin Amewole. And you know this because what? Are you a lawyer as well? No. You're not a lawyer, so how do you know that? The case is getting complicated because lawyers are involved. They are interpreting it anyhow. Are you a lawyer? That you know the interpretation more than lawyers. I better go and sit down. The legitimacy of Honorable Martin Amewole and 25 other members of the Rivers State House of Assembly as Speaker and members of the 10th House of Assembly, respectively. This is the bitter truth. He said, I beg you, carry your bitter truth, they go come out for you. Isaac Prince says, this is what happens when the APC government has taken over judicially. INEC security systems under APC and wicked Wike with T-Pain Tinubu, the Grandmaster. I don't think Fubara is going to agree to that judgment. Which Supreme Court has said that Amewole is the legit speaker and he should go and represent whatever to him. I beg. Olibe Oji says, the Court of Appeal was not told that the 27 had defected. The law is blind. As such, if we have 27 members and we present budget for it is wrong. The 27 lawmakers have defected. Is it that you people are blind or people do not see when they defected? Because I don't know how people are doing like what I don't know. Like you don't know what those 27 people did. I don't understand. The Patrick P1 says, how can Amewole be speaker? If they shack it though, maybe they shack it though. Maybe they smoke it though, because I don't understand. These people defected. They left their party for another party. And you are saying that he's the speaker. From where to where? I beg, Young Daddy says, sorry, your own interpretation is very wrong. Very wrong, oh. Falana is in the right direction. You can go for more training because you are taking sides, obviously. If you that you are not a lawyer, you are now interpreting something that a lawyer said. You don't know that you are saying rubbish. Beg, Chairman Boye says, it's unfortunate and painful that your comments and remarks can't hold a bucket of water. You're actually wasting time. Okay, tell him more. He's wasting time. Yeah, Omia says, me looking at him talking, you know that he's hungry and frustrated, obviously. So he's looking for money so that Wike will look at him and say, okay, it's like this one is supporting me. Let me bless him. Because you are talking rubbish that Amewole is the speaker. He himself, he knows. He knows that he's not the speaker again. All this one that he's doing, he's just trying to fight, but he's not going to win. He knows it's a battle that they cannot win. John Osita says, is this Ibini man actually a lawyer? He's not a lawyer. He's not a lawyer. Where they sabi law, pass the people we get law. People that have spent all their lives learning about the laws of the nation. You are here saying that, oh, the lawyers are the ones getting it wrong. So you that you are not a lawyer, you are the one that is getting it right. I beg. A mutual friend of two governors that is neither a minister nor a legislator at any level. Stop deceiving the stowaway assembly member. They have lost their seats, period. Though. Period. Emeka Ono says, Mr. Man, the case of the legitimacy of the 27 lawmakers and lawbreakers has not been adjudicated by the Supreme Court yet. Tell them more. You are the one that knows the law more than the lawyer coming here to talk rubbish. You should go and represent it. It's a bitter truth. Which bitter truth? Which truth are you speaking? You yourself, you know that you're a liar, obviously. John says, "Oh Lord, redeem our land from enemies of light, a nation that's named white for black and murderer of justice. The man with double homes is the main wind that destroys the umbrellas." Now, so Emeka Ono says, Mr. Man, the case of the legitimacy of the 27 lawmakers and lawbreakers has not been yet adjudicated. Okay, that's again. Okoro Daniel says, well, Mr. Igbini is absolutely incorrect. Thank you. The Nigerian law says a political party in which a candidate contested election and win, for any reason the candidate decided to shift his interests by way of the campaign to a different party, has automatically lost that seat. I don't understand why they are not getting that particular clause. That you are leaving your party, you say there is crisis there. You've gone. So what are you people looking for again? So I should not be reading my budget to them. I should represent for what? And that office becomes vacant. So therefore, Mr. Martins Amewole and 26 others, they have lost their seat in Rivers State House of Assembly. Governor Fubara should quiz them out of the assembly quarters. Yes, so Mr. Fubara needs to be mean at this point. He really needs to be mean and send those people out of the assembly quarters. Victor Wike says, on the internet, every Nigerian is a lawyer, just like everybody is a coach when it concerns Super Eagle matter. The problem here is not what the Constitution says about defection. The issue is, can you prove your case in the courts? Cases are not won on social media, but in the courts, the Supreme Court has not even judged on the matter. They are the ones already judging. It means that Martins Amewole is now a lawful speaker. From where to where? Who is that? Who is the person giving that judgment? Kurubo says, you don't understand. Go to Supreme Court for interpretation. This person talking is not even a lawyer. Falana that has been a lawyer all his life, he says that the Supreme Court has not given their verdict on the matter. You are saying that it means and it's the bitter truth. I beg. Ebalume Daniel says, you can go ahead and enforce the judgment. Although like QT 2027, the lawbreakers have no business to do with passing of bills in Rivers State. You can bring another topic. Don't mind him. You are mutual friends. Mutual friends with Fubara and mutual friends with Wike. You don't even know what you are doing. You are confused. Very confused. Toby says, the bottle you're putting on your face is making you sound like an illiterate. Sorry to say, sir. It's not sounding like it's actually an illiterate. It's definitely an illiterate. Most people, they'll just put engineer at the back of their name, put this at the back of their. They don't know she. Not saying they sabi. Load of people. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.